Hey guys, it is Stocklock Sunday and today I have another gun lock. Now I have decoded another one similar to this. This is of course with a 3-dial code or combination, and I still have it to 3 zeros. I reset it to 3 zeros, and I have made a video on this, and now I want to try the key version. This is a wafer lock, of course it's a wafer lock, and the bidding is just fantastic, right? Come on, focus, thank you. Fantastic bidding, right? And it's a wafer. Now there is 4 cuts on the key, and only 3 wafers. So yeah, I guess it's a 3 wafer lock, not a 4. Now this is not a real gun. This is just a hardball gun, shoot with plastic bullets, but that doesn't matter. As long as it is on here, I'm probably not putting it on right. I'm not used to lock my weapons, but it doesn't matter. It's just to simulate it's on something, on a gun. Then it shouldn't matter which way it's pointed. Alright, let's first, if I can get a hold on it, I think that would work. Let's try to rake it first. Okay, that was too easy. Well, it wouldn't be a complete video if we don't at least try single pin picking. So let's try it. And I know they aren't set very high because of the bidding of the key, but also because it was so quick and easy to rake open. In any case, you can get through this very quickly, but I still want to try SPPing though. Come on. So I'm not that used to single pin pick wafers. Maybe I actually should take my actual pick 4 wafers and try to use that if it can get in there. It couldn't. Where is the other one? I seem to have lost my other one, but we can try just taking another hook that have a little bit thicker point on, which should be easier to get onto these tiny wafers. Come on. All right. It isn't really that easy to single pin pick though. They are not really going to be set very high, so that's a good overset trap. Come on, stay in there, tension wrench. Oh, we got it. There we go. Now I can go shooting again. Well, I don't really use it much. Alright, so that was quite easy. But the keyway is so small, I don't think I can get a jiggler in there. but we can at least give it a go. Try it. Come on, focus. Oops, almost dove the camera. That was not the right one. Oh, okay, that was that was easy. Come on. Let's try that again. Huh. That's a master key for this one. Okay, so we can jiggle it anyway. What about wafer picks? Can they get in there? That one could not. Some of them are thicker than others. That was much better. Nope. Turn it around. And no. That can't get in there. What about this way? Nope. And the last one. That's not gonna happen. And that is not either. But we can jiggle it, rake it, and SPP it. And, well, the video is not that long. We can quickly try to... Whoops. Drop the pick. Sip it. Just for fun. It's a long time ago I last tried a lot of different things. Come on in there. Maybe with a half diamond. Ah, there we go. So sipping is also with the right tool pretty easy, and in the end rocking. There we go. Come on out. There we go. So no matter what you do, you can probably open this thing. Yeah. Terrible luck, but I guess it's better than nothing. Even though it's just a few seconds, it's still some time it gives you for people to get into it. Alright guys, that was terrible. Thank you for watching and have a fantastic Sunday.